Cleaning Vulcan V-Series broilers. In this video, we will learn how to clean and maintain your Vulcan heavy-duty VBB, VBI, VIB, VIR, and VST broiler. Warning: the broiler and its parts are hot. Use care when operating, cleaning, and servicing the broiler. Cooking grates. Scrape top grates during broiling with a wire brush to keep the grates clean. Do not allow debris to accumulate on the grid assembly. Angled drip tray. An angled drip tray is attached to the grid assembly under the grates. To clean the angled drip tray, move the grid assembly to the lowest position and turn the broiler control valves to the off position. Once the broiler is cooled, you can remove the drip tray by squeezing and twisting the bent end of the pin out from behind the lower left corner of the grid assembly face. Fully remove the pin, pulling outward to the left. Slide the detached angled drip tray out from under the grid assembly. Clean the angled drip tray using a commercial degreaser. Ensure the commercial degreaser is completely rinsed off before cooking with the broiler. The drip tray is also dishwasher safe. Return the angled drip tray to the grid assembly, aligning the holes to insert the pin fully and securing the bent end behind the lower left corner of the grid assembly face. Grease pan. If the grease pan needs to be emptied, use an oven mitt or towel to support the grease pan completely as you remove it from the broiler. Dispose of the grease and wash with a degreaser and water. The grease pan is also dishwasher safe. Wipe the channel with detergent and a cloth where the grease pan is inserted before returning the pan to the broiler. Exterior surfaces. Exterior surfaces may be cleaned using a soft cloth and mild detergent. Do not use highly chlorinated or alkaline detergents to clean the exterior or interior components of the upright broiler. All these types of solutions can lead to easy degradation of the components. The VST broiler has a griddle top. For regular cleaning instructions for the griddle appropriate for the type of surface, watch our video on how to clean a commercial griddle. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty upright broiler. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.